Hello, in this video we're going to look at section 7 of the Pearson test of English General at level B2. Section 7 is a kind of reading and use of English task. Unlike section 6, where you have questions you have to answer, in section 7 you have to read a text and then complete notes about what you've read. But like section 6, sometimes you can copy the text directly, and sometimes you have to change its form to fit the grammar of this new sentence. So this is where it becomes a use of English exercise. Now the questions again will appear in the same order in the text. So if you don't have much time, you don't need to read the text before you begin. You can look immediately for the first piece of information. The text in the question will not be the same as the text that you read, so you have to look again for these synonymous expressions, ways of putting the same information in a different form. When you look at each sentence that you have to complete, try to predict the kind of information you need. As with the listening sentence completion, you can predict if it's a noun or a verb that you need. You can also use your real-world knowledge to try to guess what kind of information it will be. Remember, the limit here is 3 words. So if your answer is 4 words long, it's going to be wrong. 3, 2, or 1 word is acceptable. So let's have a look at an example. Here is a short piece of writing and 2 questions. Then we'll look together at where the answers come from. Okay, so let's have a look at the answers. For number 1, the sentence that we start with is, as well as teaching and making videos, Christopher Walker also So, when we look back at the text, it says, besides teaching, which is as well as, he also spends his time making videos for YouTube and writing books. So the only information we're missing is writing books, but that doesn't fit the gap grammatically. So we need to change the form, because we have Christopher Walker, third person singular, writes books. So make sure you make that change. The second sentence says, his first book was described as being, and we can look back here. It says, unfortunately his work has yet to reach a wider audience, despite his wife saying that his first novel was very interesting. So we need an adjective expression. From the text, it's very interesting, and this doesn't have to change. It fits grammatically. So those are the things you need to remember. The limit of 3 words to go in a gap, and looking at the grammar of the sentence to decide if you need to change the form of the text from the original. Okay, that's it from the reading section. Next we'll be looking at the writing. Thank you.